Welcome to our product selection videos, where we help you find the right tool for the job. This video is about Squeegees. Viken offers a broad range of squeegees to cover all of your professional cleaning needs. The selection spans 3 different blade types, 5 lengths, and up to 12 different colors. This is Viken's single blade ultra hygiene squeegee. It is fully molded, making it easy to clean. There are no hiding places for debris and microbes, and it can be autoclaved at 249 degrees Fahrenheit. It is effective in removing water from smooth surfaces like walls, floors, and tables in areas that require the highest level of hygiene. This squeegee also effectively moves dry powders and ingredients, and it is food contact compliant. Next, we have the double blade hygienic floor squeegee. This squeegee has a replaceable cassette and comes with either a fixed or rotating neck. It is designed for areas where both high levels of hygiene and effective water or food removal are required. This squeegee can be used on all types of surfaces, including tiles and anti-slip floors. The double blade allows the user to both push and pull the squeegee. It also effectively moves dry powders and ingredients. This squeegee is food contact compliant, and it can be autoclaved at 121 degrees Celsius / 249 degrees Fahrenheit. The last option is the double blade foam squeegee, available with both fixed and rotating necks. This is our most effective squeegee for removing water and food debris from all types of flooring, thanks to the replaceable double blade foam cassette. Foam blade squeegees come with either white or black blades. Thanks for watching our overview of Viken Squeegees. And as always, if you have additional product questions, please visit our website viken.com or contact our customer service team